A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat.
C for cat. C for cup.
D for dog. D for duck. E is for elephant. E is for egg. F for frog. Ribbit. F for fish. Blub, blub. G for goat. Bah! G for grapes. H for hen. H for hat. Hen makes H, and now it's a hat. I for ice cream. I for ink.
J for jam. J for jug.
K for king. K for kangaroo. L for lion.
Roar! I'm a lion!
L for leaf.
I'm a green leaf.
M is for monkey. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nose. O for orange. O for owl. P for parrot. Polly wants a cracker. P for panda. Bamboo is yummy.
Q is for queen. And Q is for quilt. Queen and quilt.
R for rabbit. R for rainbow. R is for rabbit and rainbow. S is for sun. S is for snake. T is for tiger. T is for train. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V is for vulture. I'm a vulture and I start with V. V is also for van. Look at that van go.
W is for whale.
See the big blue whale swim?
W is for watch. Look at the watch go round and round.
X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. I is for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zoo.